Hey guys, so sorry it's been so long, but I'm back. So today I'm coming to you with another hair review from Allove Hair, and they sent me a 14-inch lace closure 613 body weight wig, and it also comes with this net, and this is how the hair is looking. It comes in this net, and so far so good. It has baby hairs in the front. The lace looks good. I ran my hands through this wig a couple of times and I didn't get any shedding initially. Also it does come with a few baby hairs in the front, as you can see. It doesn't have a strong smell like most hair does. So yeah, so far so good. It's a 10. So starting off, I'm going to be spraying the lace closure with this Got To Be Free spray so that the lace does not get dyed. And I'm using the Color, however you say it, Color colors, the Kissy Green and the Icy Blue. And I'm going to be doing a peekaboo color bob wig. So I'm starting off with the Kissy Green on the bottom. And guys, I wasn't so fond of this color. I've been seeing this color all over Instagram and on hair pages. And what really made me not like the color so much was that it was so watery, and then the color didn't really stick to the hair like most colors that I've worked with have. It kind of reminds me of markers, if that makes sense. But it does come with a lot of pigment. It's very bright and vibrant, so that's a plus. But would I buy this color again? And for the price, is overrated. I spent about $10 or $12 for this dye, and I would never do that again. I promise. So yeah, stay tuned, y'all. You guys see me dye hair a million times. And yeah, keep on watching. Hey guys, thank you for still watching. Don't forget to thumbs up this video and make sure you subscribe to my channel, iShina TV. Also, don't forget to follow me on Instagram. My Instagram is the same as my YouTube channel, iShina TV. Now on to styling. I'm going to be using the Fantasia heat protector to protect the hair from all the heat styling tools, and I'm just using a little bit in my hands because this serum is kind of thick and I don't want to weigh down the hair and have it all sticky and whatnot. And from here I'm just going to start straightening out the hair so that it's bone straight, and then I'm going to start cutting the hair into a blunt cut bob. So after straightening, I went ahead and brought out my good old handy dandy peanut clippers or trimmers, whatever you guys call them, that I did get from Sally's. And just FYI guys, when you're cutting a blunt cut bob, using clippers makes the process 10 times easier and makes the time go by 10 times faster. So just a little FYI, if you're doing a blunt cut bob, grab you some clippers, girl. Put them scissors down. And for those who are wondering, yes, this is my real hair. I only straighten my hair maybe 2 times a year, so I decided to show y'all the length and the progress that my hair has came. 3 things I did notice during this entire styling process is that when the hair sheds very little to none, so that's a major 10 because one, I hate shedding, and then 2, I don't want blue hair all over my carpet. And then 2, this lace lays really flat on my head, so it makes it look like scalp. And then 3, the hair gets really bone straight after just 1 to 2 passes. Also, back to the color, as you can see, the color is fading, and that's what I was saying about the color not sticking, and it's also doing that in the nape of my head. So I won't be purchasing this color anymore because I've never had this problem with Adore. Adore and Kiss colors would never give me these problems. So yeah, all I did was use my hot comb to flatten the top of my head, and then I went in with some wand curls. And yeah, that's about it, guys. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you want to see more peekaboo colors and combinations, just let me know in the comment section below. Also, make sure you do thumbs up this video, subscribe to my channel, and also turn on your bell notifications because I will be posting a lot more now that I'm back on YouTube. And I need some ideas, guys. You gotta comment. So yeah, stay tuned. Also, follow me on Instagram, iShinaTV, and see you guys next time. Bye, guys.